You spent a lot of time in Wales.
I have spent a lot of time in Wales, yeah.
Have you learned any Welsh?
Have I learned any Welsh? No, none. None. Not a sausage, nothing. Not a dragon.
Film of the year for yourself, out of the nominees, or anything that's perhaps not been nominated.
I quite like Hurt Locker.
Awesome, saw it last night.
Good film, man. Really good film.
Anything else?
Moon, Sex, Drugs and Rock and Roll. Circus, my boy Circus. Quite enjoyed that.
He's here tonight, is he?
He is. It's just down there. Yeah. I'm not so much of a blockbuster fan. I like a lot of films, really.
Okay.
I like a lot of films.
What's next for yourself?
Centurion, Neil Marshall Centurion, coming out on April 23rd. 4321 with the lovely Shanika Warren Markland, which is my film, coming out June 2nd. And Heartless with Jim Sturgis, coming out at some point.
Busy man.
Yeah, just a few little things bubbling.
Enjoy your evening. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Yeah, great stuff. Fantastic. Wherever that was, you too.
Thank you very much.
Unless you were talking about my mother or any sort of animal.
Enjoy.
Yeah, great. Love it.